Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard vanilla ice cream. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 6 large egg yolks, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Fresh ingredients are key for the best taste and texture. Precise measurements ensure a perfectly balanced and delicious base. Next, we will craft the rich custard base. In a bowl, whisk the 6 egg yolks and 3/4 of a cup of sugar until the mixture is light and pale yellow. In a saucepan, gently heat the 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk until it just simmers. Slowly pour some warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly, then return it all to the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring, until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Now, let's prepare the custard for churning. First, strain the cooked custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step ensures a perfectly smooth and luxurious texture. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, infusing that classic aromatic flavor. Finally, place the bowl in an ice bath to cool quickly, then refrigerate the custard for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it is completely cold. The final steps bring your delicious ice cream to life. Pour the thoroughly chilled custard into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions. This process usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes, transforming the liquid into a soft serve consistency. Once churned, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container. Freeze it for at least 2 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness, for a perfect scoop every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.